On the second bill that I assented to, the Nakuru County Alcoholic Drinks Amendment Bill of 2023, which seeks to remove the ambiguities in the previous act that have impeded the fight against the abuse of illicit alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic abuse is rampant in Nakuru County, and my government recognizes that if it is not controlled, it can lead to breakdown in social order. Whereas we acknowledge that liquor licensing is one of the major revenue streams of the county, the well-being and survival of our people is of equally paramount importance.